On the first day of holy month of Magh, people celebrate Maghe Sankranti. The festival is also known as Makar Sankranti. The festival is considered to be the beginning of warmer days in comparison to the cold month of Pus. It is believed that from this day, the sun starts to move towards the northern hemisphere. Devotees from all over the country take holy dips in the river and ponds, worshipping various temples and enjoying delicacies like ghee, yam, khichdi, and sweets like chaku and sweets made up of sesame and molasses. Hindu followers take holy bath during this festival in the auspicious and religious rivers in Nepal. Some of the major holy river locations of Nepal are Sankhamul on Bagmati River, Gandaki Narayani River in Tridevini, Devghat in Chitwan, Ridhi in Kali Gandaki, and in the Kosi River basin at Dolaghat on Sun Kosi. People worship Lord Vishnu and organize pujas and read Hindu holy epic Bhagavad Gita. The first day of Magh is also celebrated in the Tarai by the Tharu community as Maghi or New Year. It is a week-long festival celebrated by getting together with family and friends, attending community get-together or mela, dressing up in traditional Tharu dress, eating, drinking, and making good foods. Maghe Sankranti has its own legend. Long time ago, a merchant of Bhadgaon, now Bhaktapur, was doing good business. He had a good sales of sesame, but the stock never ran out. Curiously, he searched for a clue. Cleaning the stockpile, he found the idol of Lord Vishnu down beneath the seeds. Then after that, the idol was worshipped as Til Madhav idol. It is believed that worshipping the idol would bring a supply of food, prosperity, and wealth. The greatest Mahabharata epic states that Bhisma Pitamaha, who has immense power and also got the blessing to have control over his own death, chose to die on this day. So, it is believed that those people who die on this day attain moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and rebirth. It is believed that the Kirat dynasty on this day invaded the Kathmandu valley and achieved victory, and the same victory celebration is considered to have started as Kirat Samvat. The Newari community observes this festival as Gyo Chaku Sanghu by having Gyo Chaku with Same Baji and remembering the departed souls. In Newari language, Gya means ghee, Chaku means molasses, and Sahul means Sankranti. The senior Newari people apply mid-hot edible oil to the heads of the junior on this day. On this day, a historical Makar fair is held in Panauti near Kathmandu Valley. This fair started from the regime of King Mandab. Maghe Sankranti is also a major festival of Magar caste in Nepal. Maghe Sankranti has been recognized as the national festival of the Magars. In the Magar community, the archery game is played today. In this festival, the Magar duly worship the daughter and ancestors for 3 days. Every year, on the occasion of Maghe Sankranti, Taruka village of Nuwakot organizes bullfight, ox fight. This bullfighting festival is believed to have emerged during the late 18th century.